What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk Jasmy. Can we still see 95% gains? Can we almost double up in 2024? Just almost a month, a little bit more than that left in this calendar year. Let's get down into it. I want to talk about the whales. I want to talk some of the sells, as well as a chart formation right now that's signaling a potential game-changing breakout. I'm going to break this down in this video. There's going to be a lot of stuff. Guys, welcome to the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you hold Jasmy, you should be subscribed to this channel. It's totally free to do so. Click that link down below. Also, if you want to follow me on X, and let's get down into it. Please remember, not financial advice. Smash that like button, and let's talk some Jasmy Coin, okay? And full disclosure, the Jasmy that I do hold, it's about $2,000 that I bought way back when. Have not sold any. I'm just kind of waiting. Hopefully we get back to all-time, not maybe even all-time highs, but just highs where it's still a gain for me. Get my holdings into the green. But we're going to be talking about it because I do think Jasmy has the potential from a global scale to really do some cool stuff in terms of the price action. That's just my thoughts. I'm going to break down some of the chart, get you guys on your way, and let's lead this off by talking about the game-changing breakout that we could see with this chart formation. Now, the recent thing that we did see is the upbit listing for Jasmy, increasing the exposure across a lot of crypto markets, but we have formed a cup and handle signal, okay? With that in mind, higher resistance levels can be seen where we would obviously look to a breakout for Jasmy and a lot of momentum that lies within. All right, one of the critical milestones that we've also seen for Jasmy is the institutional interest, surging 174% almost, reaching that $226 million. Open interest is up as well at the time of this recording. That's always a good thing. And if you guys do look into open interest and you trade on perpetual futures, I want you guys to all check out what I have to offer within BYDFI, okay? Now, within BYDFI, this is where we're going to look into kind of their exchange right now. One of the hottest promotions in crypto going. This is 10% cash back to trade crypto on futures and on spot. That's why I like this exchange. You can have the best of both worlds. There are no trading fees within their spot exchange. And who doesn't like free money to trade in this market? Sign up today. Get that 10% cash back up to $1,000 using BYDFI. Build your dream finance. Links down below. Make sure you check out the KYC policy as well as their terms and condition. And make sure that it's right for you. Do your due diligence, and by all means, get started trading today on BYDFI. Links down below. Okay, but back into Jasmy. I want to share with you guys kind of what we're doing here on the market. Up 9.3%. We are still in the top 100, $1.23 billion. And over the last week, month, and year, Jasmy has been showing some bullish signs, now trading roughly at around 25 cents as we look into that price action. And if we dive into the trading view, and I'll show you guys kind of what I divert to, this is my trading indicator. This is a lot of bullish momentum right here that we did flash momentum up back on November 7th. And since then, guys, we have been forming a nice, significant uptrend within terms of momentum above the moving averages, but we're still not back to where we were at these levels right here at around 4 cents. So in terms of Jasmy, let's see what happens, but I think that we have a lot of room to run if Jasmy is going to break out and get back up to those levels. Not necessarily all-time highs where, you know, we all have that supply shock and what actually went down with that since falling off. I mean, to get back up to these levels where we were talking about 36 cents Jasmy all-time highs, that's going to be a long road to hoe. But let's talk about where we're at right now in this kind of, I don't want to say redo, but this restart of Jasmy Coin as we look into this chart formation. And this is going to be the big stuff that we need to talk about, right? The cup and handle formation, that's going to be something coupled with the upbit listing. That's the big news of the day. And those technical levels right now that are showing Jasmy Coin poised for a significant price surge alongside these fundamentals and technicals. We could talk about the Bollinger Bands. That's going to be something that drives us higher as well, showing that there are a lot of accumulation that we have seen along the level of 21. If we look into that 2 cents, 162, that's where we have the strength as we look to go higher, and the next resistance will sit there at 3 cents, okay? Another thing about Jasmy, though, we have a lot of sell-off pressure right now in the market, and if that 95% gain is still achievable, well, that's the big storyline as well. And you can talk right from Hera himself, Jasmy's CFO, right there on X, if you want to go on jasmy.ai at Hey Samuel Kim, where you can read about kind of what he had to say within that conversation. but still optimistic, right? We talked about a lot of technical data. We talked about some of the momentum stuff that's driving Jasmy into that coupled handle formation, despite all of the whale sell-offs, right? And that's something where a lot of people expect prices to touch $1 by June. Who knows? That's a crazy 4,900% rally. But what we have going with Jasmy is the interesting storyline that within this bull cycle, anything's possible. Okay. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that $1 is guaranteed, but I'm going to say anything's possible. Okay. And that's where I look at a rally and a rebound from where we're at right here, right now. If we want to look into the charts a little bit deeper, you could see right now that would be roughly, a significant almost 50, a little bit less than 50x like we talked about, and that would be kind of where we're at in terms of the whale number, and that would be 4,900%, so just a little bit less than a 50x to get back to $1, okay? Positive price formations and forecasts. We have to talk about that 3 cents resistance. I know it's a long ways away, but guys, I am super bullish on Jasmy, and couple that with what we've seen nearing a golden cross with the 50-day and 200-day moving averages almost crossing over each other. It's historically been a good predictor of future results. As always, guys, I don't have that crystal ball in crypto, so make sure you do your own research and due diligence, and all bets are off when we come to Jasmy, because I think that right now this is one of the more bullish plays I have in my crypto bags, okay? Appreciate you guys watching. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below if you want to stay up to date with what's going on in Jasmy. I just figured I'd talk about it for a few minutes. Thank you for giving me a couple minutes of your time. Links down below if you want to sign up with BYDFI or Margex. A couple of the futures exchanges that I do trade on. Links down below for that. Make sure you check them out and do your research. And if you want to get started, links are down below in the description. Appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.